Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we have seen the overview of dashboard. In today's video we're gonna start with other components, that is video, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, monetization, audio library. So first of all, start with the videos. Okay, once you click on the videos, you will see all your uploaded video in this list with visibility, whether it is public or private, then the restrictions, whether it is kids or adult, and the date, all the dates available here, viewers, the comments and the likes on each and every video. Once you click on your live, you will see all your live sessions, live stream sessions available in this tab. Alright, so we move to the playlist now. Once you click on the playlist, you will see your playlist. In my case, there is a one playlist that's a YouTube guide and I have 4 videos. Alright, let's go. So once you click on the analytics, this is the most important chapter and this is the most important area where each and everyone need to focus. It has several tabs: overview, reach, engagement and audience. It also has a top videos in this period. Alright, in 28 days period, latest video, real-time views. You will have everything. Even it will show you last 28 days viewer. Okay, all the views in last 28 days. Once you click on the advanced, you will go to the next page. It will show you the videos in that time frame, all the videos with each and every day's views. Okay, each and every day's views you can see in graphical mode. Okay, plus if you want to see in tabular format, you just need to scroll down and you will see all your videos with views, watch time and each subscriber on the videos, plus your estimated revenue on that particular video, plus your impressions on each video, plus your click rate on each video. So possibly everything is available here. When you click on the traffic sources, you will have different traffic sources, external traffic sources. Everything is in graphical format as well as in tabular format, so you can clearly know where your traffic is coming from. So this is really very important, you guys, to understand how your videos are reaching towards your audience. All right, when you go to the geography, you will see the geographical area of your video, which your like viewership from which country. And when you click on the age group of viewers, you will see from the 13 years to the 65 years of age groups, and you will see all these tabs again, views and average views and duration and everything. When you goes to the viewers gender, so possibly there are 2 genders, female and male, you will get detail about your viewers exactly. Plus in that you have each and every date with viewers and time watch on that particular things. In this playlist, you will have the playlist if you have clicked on the playlist and watch your videos. Device types, where your video was watched on computer, laptop or mobile phone. Alright, so this is probably each and everything you will need it to understand your video's performance. Guys, there are many options available, more options available, like publish format, playback location, operating system, subtitles, video into languages, translation use, end screen elements, end screen elements, card type, everything. Whatever you guys needed, you can find it over here. Alright, so with this we will have more details in this analytics as well. When you click on the reach, you will see your traffic source coming from which sources. Okay, as you can see, there is an external source for mine, and that external source is WhatsApp. So most of my video has been shared with my family members on my WhatsApp group. That's why it's showing that 95% WhatsApp. Alright, plus it will show the most viewed, your most suggested videos, plus the tags which are available in these videos. Alright, plus it will show you the impressions as well as the impressions, and from that impression how many views came. Alright, and the time from that impressions. All right, when you click on the engagement, you will see the top videos, the top videos by end screen, and the playlist, the card, and the top screen elements. Everything is there. In audience, you will see how many unique users you have, watch time you have. Everything is available there. All right, we have already seen this in advanced mode. In this mode also, you will see viewers are available on what time, viewers are available from which country, other videos are watched or not. You will see in this comments, you will find out most of the comments from your viewers, most of the comments. Okay, you will see all the comments. You can reply, you can like, dislike, you can spam them or hold for a review. All right, you can do all the things with your comments here. Subtitles you will have over here. Subtitles provide you the details about your videos. You can draft your subtitles, you can get from the community and see what and when that published on your videos. When you goes to the monetization, it is most important thing. When you start your channel, you will see you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. All right, now we move to the audio library. Audio library is the free source of music from YouTube. You can download these songs and you can use those songs in your all videos. All right, this is like royalty free, and you have all number of free music available. You can get any of them and download and use into your videos. In settings, you will find many things. So like your currency, which currency you want, okay, your channel information, the basic information about your channel, your channel's name, the keywords where your channel gonna get identified. Advanced settings, you will have the different settings there. Audience type, everything is there. Okay, subscribe counts, you want to display your subscribe counts to people, everything is there. So you will see the brandings, everything is available on this, all brands, every default features you have. Okay, you can upload your basic information, upload your advanced information, see your permission for your channel, see your community changes, and then finally the agreement. All right guys, this is what we have today. Thank you very much for your time and patience. As we have started with YouTube guide series, this is the YouTube studio introduction. All right, and I have seen your comments. I would like to definitely answer all your questions and upload the latest video according it, and I will definitely help you out with your concerns, and I will definitely help you with your channel. As I started my YouTube channel, I urge you guys to start your own channel, and let's get express your thoughts, express your ideas with people. On this note, I would like to urge you guys to share this video with your friends and family members. Let them understand the YouTube's working and how to create the YouTube channel and start with YouTube. Please comment, subscribe, and share this video. We will see you in next episode. Till then, enjoy